Okay, now we're going to add an instrument track to our podcast project. Before I do that, I'm going to mute all the other tracks in my project. I'm going to go to Track, and in Track I select New Track. I choose Software Instrument and Create. Now that it's created, you'll see that there's a grand piano here in green. I have some piano keys. I can play the music. I can also switch to different instruments, horns for example, etc., etc. And you can try a few of these out and see which ones you prefer. Some really interesting ones here. And there's even drum kits. This way you can create your own music for your project. Have a play with it. See if you can create some interesting music, perhaps some sound effects that you might want to use in your project. Something else that you can do with your new musical score when you create it. I'm just going to create one by recording. Pressing record and I might just stop it there and change instruments for a bit. Or I could create a new track as well. Now that you've created your musical score, you can actually go into the score button over here and you can see the music that you've written. Switch back, score, etc. You can always add another new track by creating again, and again choosing the instrument that you want to use and recording on that track. Now maybe I want that track to be combined with the earlier track that I've created. I can add the two together. Remember, I've got everything else muted at present. I can play it. Put it all together by unmuting these tracks. You've got your final project. You can listen to it and decide whether you want to continue editing it or not.